Alright guys, in this video we are going to talk about Instax. I will show you my new Instax Square SQ6. We will unbox it together, we will set it up together. You know, buying Instax was so overwhelming, that's why I am here with this video. You know, you have so many different types of Instaxes. You have Mini 11, Mini 12, Mini 40, Mini 99, Mini 7 Plus, Mini 7S, Mini 9, Mini 9 Limited Edition, Mini Evo, Mini LE Play, Square 40, Square 1, Square 6, Square 20, White 300, White 400, like there is so much going on. Also, buying Instax can be pretty expensive. I feel like that's the thing you really don't need, but I feel like it's pretty nice gift to give someone for their birthday, or I feel like lots of people is buying Instax, for example, for some special occasions. We are buying Instax for our wedding. The wedding guests take pictures, they put the picture in your wedding book, they write there something, they can even take the pictures with themselves, you know, home and keep them forever somewhere as a memory. So I feel like that's pretty good reason to buy Instax, and I'm actually happy that we are buying it because I wanted always Instax. Who doesn't want Instax? In this video I will share with you my tips which might help you to decide which Instax you actually want to buy and which one might be the best for you. So we will go through the types. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. You know, if you have any questions, drop the comment below, I will try to answer it. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family and have fun watching. Alright, I would say we will just start real quick. What is Instax? It is a brand of instant still cameras and instant films marketed by Fujifilms. The first camera and accompanying film, the Instax Mini 10 and Instax Mini Film, were released in the 1998. The wide film and first accompanying camera were released the following year, so 1999. The Instax Square film and accompanying camera were released in 2017, so the Square cameras and films are pretty new. In 2016, it was reported that sales of Instax cameras had risen to 5 million units the previous fiscal year, up from 100,000 units in 2004. Let's talk about what helped me to choose my Instax. I would question you which format of your images you wanna have. You wanna have mini format, you wanna have square format, or you wanna have wide format. I feel like this is the most important thing, and from there you can go, you know, to the next steps. I love the square size. I feel like it looks so pretty. I feel like, you know, you have a big space there to fit lots of people, and I feel like it also looks very nice when you know, when you stick it into your guest book or whatever. I feel like both are nice. It's just about your preferences. So, and we will go from there. So if you choose a mini format, you can choose different mini Instax cameras, and that is the Mini 11, Mini 12, Mini 40, Mini 99, Mini 7 Plus, Mini 7S, Mini 9, and Mini 9 Limited Edition. I feel like the limited edition is not anymore there when it's limited. I have no idea. These Instaxes are with those beautiful colors. You know, you have there so many options. I would say you just go through yourself and, you know, find the best color for you, find the best options for you. The Mini 40, Mini 99, I feel like they are giving you more options, you know, for example, than the classy Mini 11. There's definitely a lot to choose from. The other cameras are hybrid, and they also use the mini format, which is Mini Evo and Mini Play. And then we have the Instax Square, which is the square format. You can choose a Square SQ40, SQ1, SQ6, or SQ20. And I would like to pause right here and tell you my secret. So if I wouldn't go for the SQ6, I would actually go for the SQ20, because the SQ20 has very good features. That one is, I feel like, 70 euros, even more expensive, so I went with the SQ6, which is also pretty good. It does its job. I don't need anything crazy. I want to just press the button and get nice images out of it. If you decide you want to go with the wide format, then you can choose between wide 300 and a wide 400. You can definitely check yourself which one would fit best for you. I feel like the wide 400 is giving me like outdoorsy vibes, like for, you know, hiking, very robust outdoorsy style to take pictures with the groups. I also love the philosophy of Instax, because I actually was asking myself, why would you buy this camera? Like, what's the point? What's their philosophy? You know, these days you could just sell phones with crazy cameras, but the philosophy behind Instax is actually don't just take, give. And I feel like if you think about it, it's so cool. It's very nice. I always felt when we were taking those pictures with my friends, you know, it was cool to take it with me and just put it to my photo album, just save those moments in my special book. And this is the point of Instax, because even those days we have different technologies, this is still the classic way how to capture moments. No one can put filters over or do retouche or whatever. You don't even need filters on those pictures. I will just say we will just jump right to it and let's unbox my new Instax Square SQ6, which I got actually in this pretty gold color. They have different colors such as graphite gray, aqua blue. I have this blush gold, it's called. There is also ruby red and a pearl white. In your package you have of course the manuals, and you have there also some flyer for the app, which I want to try to, you know, set it up later with you. We have there 2 pairs of batteries which we need. You have there also this strap hook which you can, you know, put on your camera, so you can put it over your neck and you can easily carry it around. And then this SQ6 version has there those 3 colors for your flash, so you can literally do purple, red or green like images, which is pretty cool. So yeah, here are the 2 batteries from Panasonic, I feel like. And then of course, voila, there is the camera. It's packed pretty good. Yeah, so here is my blush gold Instax Square SQ6. I love it. My first impressions were good. It's very, very light. You have there everything you need, so I will show you what's everything on the camera. You will find a power switch, then you will find a film ejection slot where the films are coming out. You will find a self timer light. You will also find a viewer finder, of course. Then, as we were talking about the hook, you will find the 2 strap hooks on the both sides. You will also find a shutter button. You will find a AE light sensor window. You will find a flash sensor window. You will find a tripod socket. You know, the tripod is obviously not included. Then you will find a lens cover and self-portrait mirror, and then you will find there the flash. And then on the other side from the camera we will go through the another you know, settings which you can find there. You will find there the mode indicator, it is LED. You will find there the mode button, you switch the modes with it. You will find there the self timer button, flash suppressing button. You will find there the back cover lock, the back cover, film counter, battery lid, and film pack confirmation window, and also viewer finder. Yeah, then I was just putting the strap into the hooks, which was pretty easy. Took me 5 seconds. I was just concentrating on it. Here we go. Here we have our camera with the strap on. Alright guys, so let's set up the camera together. First thing we are gonna do, we are going to put the batteries inside the battery pocket. So easy peasy, you just take off the lid, you put the 2 batteries inside, plus on plus, minus on minus. It's very intuitive. You just slide it there like this and you close it and you are ready to the next step. In the next step, we are going to put our films inside the camera. You need to purchase actually extra your films. It's not sold together. So I got my Instax Square films separately. I got lots of it. Not forget to mention they're also pretty pricey. We have in this package actually 5 packages, and in those 5 packages is 10 films each. You can definitely read the instructions, on the packaging. This is how the images looks when they are in this case, and just like this we are going to put it in our Instax. You should hold both sides of the film pack, align the yellow marks on the camera and the film pack, then insert it straight. Then we just literally close the back cover and we make sure the back cover locks click into place. We will slide the power switch toward the on side to turn the camera on. Make sure you do not hold the lens cover when you are turning the camera on, otherwise the lens cover will not open. Now we will just press the shutter button. The film cover, the black part, is ejected and the 10 is displayed on the film counter on the back of the camera. From here we are ready to take our pictures, and this process you will always do again and again when you make your 10 images and you need to insert your new pack of films. There are also a few tips you should never do. For example, when you have your images inserted in the camera, you should never open it because then they turn white. You literally destroy the images. The images shouldn't see the light before you make actually some photos with it. You should always use the size of the films for your camera. You just always open your packaging with your films right before you wanna put them into your camera. So I wanted to show you like this. We have here the modes and we can change it. We have it right now on auto. We can change it to selfie like this, to macro, to landscape, to double exposure, lighten and darken. The option lighten, if the pictures are coming out too dark, you press the option lighten. On the other side, if the pictures are coming out way too light, you press the option, the mode darken. Like I wanna do some selfie with Bailey. Bailey! He's sleeping, but he loves selfies. So if you didn't see Bailey yet, this is Bailey. He got his hair cut this week. Yeah, let's take selfie. I feel like you need 2 hands with the Instax. I have to hold it in my other hand. Ah, cool, there is something already. It said, I feel like just for 1 minute. You shouldn't put it to your mouth. You shouldn't give it to your kids or whatever, because like it's processing right now, okay? Alright, so we will just leave it to do its job. The next I want to talk about is this app, and I will show you just in a few minutes how this picture turned out. It looks so cute. I got here some flyer for the app, and I will have a look what is it about, if it's worth it to do it, so you know for yourself later. We are going to just quickly install it and agree to the terms and condition. You select your location, and that's actually it. I rejected some of the stuff. It's up to you what to do with it. And then I didn't also want it a notification, and then I am about to scan my photo, which I just did actually. It gives you scanning tips, some guide, and you choose your film size actually. So I have chosen SQ Square, and then it gives you also some tips. It was intuitive. It didn't scan perfectly, so I had to actually adjust the corners. So yeah, this is how it turned out, and the point of the app is you actually like scan the pictures of what you are doing, and then you have the pictures like digital in your app, which is also cool. Why not? You know, you did lots of photos with your friends, and you know, not everyone gets the same picture or the picture you would like to have, so you can literally scan it and then you have it at least in your phone digital. You can also adjust there some, you know, brightness, contrast, saturation, or color temperature. You can do auto correction. I feel like it turned out pretty dark. It's not really bright here, so I guess I could actually try to do the lightening option. It's actually right here, my photo. It looks so cool. Baby is so funny. He is so fluffy. I am actually already excited, and I hope the guests at our wedding will be happy with it. They will have fun with it. I also ordered some, you know, these things I'm not sure how is it called actually in English. Like you hold it in hand and you have there some signs or crown and glasses or whatever, you know, like these. Alright guys, so I feel like that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. I will try to answer it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any Instax, which one you have, which one is the best in your opinion. Don't forget to subscribe if you like videos like this. Don't forget to hit a thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.